Welcome to today's video, how to water bonsai trees in winter without overdoing it. Watering bonsai trees in winter can be tricky, too much, and you risk root rot. Too little, and your tree could dry out. So how do you find that perfect balance? Stick around because I'll share simple tips to keep your bonsai thriving all winter long. Before we dive in, if you're into bonsai care, hit that like button, subscribe to the Bonsai Barn, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's grow this bonsai community together. Tip number 1. Understand dormancy. In winter, most bonsai trees enter a dormancy phase where they need less water. But they're not completely asleep. Think of it like a light nap rather than a full hibernation. Do you know if your bonsai tree is currently dormant? Let me know in the comments. Tip number 2. Test the soil first before watering. Check the top inch of the soil. If it's dry, give it a drink. If it's still moist, hold off. Winter watering is all about timing and observation. Pro tip: use well-draining soil to avoid water pooling around the roots. Tip number 3. Adjust for indoor versus outdoor bonsai. For indoor bonsai, the air is drier in winter due to heating systems, so you might need to water a bit more frequently. For outdoor bonsai, watch out for frozen soil. Don't water when the soil is solid ice. Tip number 4. Watch for signs of overwatering or underwatering. Yellowing leaves? Too much water. Wilting or dry leaves? Not enough water. These are signs your bonsai might need some adjustment to its care routine. Tip number 5. Keep humidity in mind. Bonsai trees love humidity, even in winter. A humidity tray under your indoor bonsai can help keep moisture levels just right without drowning the roots. What's been your biggest challenge with bonsai care in winter? Share your experience below. I'd love to hear it. Winter bonsai care doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about observation, balance, and a little patience. If you found these bonsai watering tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner bonsai tips and tricks. Want to learn even more? Check out my other videos for seasonal bonsai care and styling techniques. See you next time, and happy growing!